Welcome back, children. We have finished chapter 6, our government, and today we are going to discuss the exercises. In chapter 6, we learned about central government, state government, and judiciary. We begin with think and answer. Number A, tick the correct answer. 1. The strength of Lok Sabha is, the correct answer is 545 members, number B. Question number 2. Any citizen above the age of dash can stand for election to the Lok Sabha. And the correct answer is 25 years. Number 3. How many members of the Rajya Sabha are appointed by the President of India? And the correct answer is 12. Who appoints the governor of a state? Answer B, President, is the correct answer. Number 5, which is the highest court in our country? And the correct answer is Supreme Court, number C. Question number 6, how many members of the Lok Sabha may be nominated by the President from the Anglo-Indian community? And the correct answer is A, 2 members. Question number 7. The facility of pension is associated with elderly people. Number C is the correct answer. Question number 8. Voting is a great power in the hands of, the correct answer is number C, citizens. Question number 9. A council of ministers is responsible to the, and the correct answer is Parliament, number B. And the last question is MLA stands for, correct answer is Members of Legislative Assembly, MLA. Now we move to match the following. Number 1, paying tax matches with number C, responsibility of a citizen. We have seen that there are 3 main responsibilities of a citizen, and they are voting in elections, paying taxes, and being awareness. So paying taxes matches with responsibility of a citizen. Number 2, democratic government, and the correct answer is brings welfare activities. Number 3, legislative assembly, and the correct answer is states. Number 4, prime minister, it matches with number E, leader of majority party. Number 5, great power of a citizen, and the correct answer is voting. Number 6, Lok Sabha. Lok Sabha is also called the lower house, number G. And last one, number 7, Rajya Sabha matches with number F, the upper house. Question number C, fill in the blanks. Number 1, India has 29 states and 7 union territories. Number 2, the parliament has 2 houses, Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. Number 3, the Lok Sabha has 545 members and Rajya Sabha has 245 members. Question number 4, the governor is the highest authority in the state. Question number 5, the High Court is the highest court in the state. Question number 6, the Supreme Court, we have 2 options for this, the Supreme Court or Parliament House. Both answers will be correct. So the Supreme Court or the Parliament House is located in New Delhi. You can choose any one answer and fill in the blanks. You can choose either Supreme Court or you can choose Parliament House, because both these are located in New Delhi. So we are done with fill in the blanks. We are moving to write true or false. Like we have been always doing, we will not write T or F, but we will write TRUE true and FALSE false for the incorrect statements. We begin with number 1. India is a very small country. As we have been doing, we will correct the false sentences too. This sentence is false because India is not a very small country. India is a very large country. So we will put false there and we will correct the sentence, underline small and write there large. That is the mistake in this sentence. Question number 2. Citizens who are 18 years and above can elect their representatives. This is true. Question number 3. Any citizen above the age of 18 can stand for elections to the Lok Sabha. Now this is again incorrect, so we will write there false. And how will we correct it? We'll underline 18 and write there 25. Question number 4. MPs alone elect the president of the country. This is again incorrect, so we will write there false and we are going to correct the sentence. It is not the MPs alone who elect the president, but MPs and MLAs together, they elect the president of the country. And the last one is the decisions of the Supreme Court are final, and that is true. Supreme Court is the highest court in our country, and whatever decision it gives, that is full and final. So if we are not happy with the decision of the lower court, be it district court or high court, we may approach Supreme Court, but Supreme Court's decisions are final. Now, do you remember I had given you some activities to do in the previous video tutorial, and I had told you to find the answers yourself. Did you find them? Let me check. You will also check your answer whether your answers which you have got, they are correct or incorrect. And in case they are incorrect, what you will be doing? You will be correcting your answer. So have you guessed what I am going to do? I am going to give you the answers so that you can correct your answers if they are incorrect. And in case anyone has not found the answers, I am making things easy for you. You look at the slide and learn them. These are extra questions or extra information that I am providing you. And what did I tell? How will it help you? It will strengthen your GK. And when we have the quiz contest, you will be able to compete with your friends. If you strengthen your GK, you will be able to compete with your friends, and maybe you will be selected to represent your house, and then maybe your house can win that trophy. So keep learning and try for the best. Number 1. Find out the names of the President, Vice President and Prime Minister of India, and of the Governor and Chief Minister of your state. So these are the questions whose answer I have provided. Activities. Number 2. Name the chief political parties of India. Collect the pictures of their symbols and paste them on a chart paper. You may not paste them in a chart paper, you may even paste or draw in your rough notebook. I have provided you the drawings. You can see the pictures and you may draw also. Collect pictures of all the presidents of India and paste these on a chart paper. Below each picture, write their names and tenures. So this work also I have done for you, as you must have guessed by now. So you need not paste the pictures in your notebook. If you have not done, you may even only learn the answers. So if you learn the answers, that is fine. because ultimately what matters is how much you have learned. So if you wish, you can write in your rough notebook and learn, or you can learn from the slides that I have provided here. So our president is Shri Ramnath Kovind. Our vice president is Shri M. Venkaiah Naidu. Our prime minister is Shri Narendra Modi. And I have missed the governor and chief minister of Jharkhand, but I have already given it before, and you must be knowing the name. The chief minister of Jharkhand is Mr. Hemant Soren, and the governor of Jharkhand is Mrs. Draupadi Murmu. And I have given you the pictures before. These are the pictures of some national parties and their symbols. You can see and learn, and you may even draw in your rough notebook. And this is the list of all presidents of India, starting from Dr. Rajendra Prasad, you can see in the up corner, till Mr. Ramnath Kovind, who is at present the President of India. In between all the presidents who have held office, the names are given, and for how long, that is the tenure, for how long, from when to when they were in office, that is also given. You need not learn the tenure, but you should learn the names of all these presidents. So let me tell you, I'll just read and I'll tell you little bit about some of them. First president was Mr. Rajendra Prasad, this you have learnt, and he became the president in 1950 after India became a republic. Second prime minister was Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Do you know him? Yes, because it is in his honor that we celebrate Teachers' Day. Then we had Mr. Zakir Hussain. Then Shri Vivi Giri, Mr. Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad, Mr. Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy, Mr. Zail Singh, Mr. R. Venkatraman, Mr. S.D. Sharma, Mr. K.R. Narayanan, and then comes Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam, and I am sure you must be knowing him. He is known as the Missile Man of India. He was a scientist. Then we have Mrs. Pratibha Patil. She is the only women president we have had till now. Then she was succeeded by Mr. Pranav Mukherjee, and presently we have Mr. Ramnath Kovind. He started his tenure in 2017 and he is still in office. So that is blank, left blank, because he is still in office. So I have provided you plenty of information which you have to learn, and be ready for your GK quiz and for the GK contest. So keep learning, keep healthy, and keep safe. We'll be meeting again with a new chapter.